Hello. As you can probably see, I managed to get MARDUK sitting upright on his hips. Although it looks like he's got a pair of stubby little legs and feet. I didn't have to use my van. I just grabbed a side and really heaved up. I'm actually quite surprised how the frame's holding together, but then again, it is lumber screwed together, or well, bolted together in some cases, so it's really not surprising, but it is kind of heavy. This hip deck gives MARDUK a good 18 inches, so instead of being 10'6", he's going to be about 12 feet tall. I'm a little concerned at the leg pylons because they're, well, you know, kind of, well, it's just a single bit of a, what is this, 3/5, no, 3/8, no, 5/8 rebar holding the wheels on, so, but that's why I've got the, going to be doing a lot of screws and that sort of thing. I haven't worked on the hip rotation yet, you know, but for that all I gotta do is, this is the pedal right here for it, and the only issue is that it keeps swinging outward, so just like a piece of wood right here to help stabilize it would probably do the trick. I'm hoping not to make it powered because that would make it a little less controllable, because the motor, when you gear down, wouldn't spin very fast. And the, as you saw in the previous video, a linear actuator is powerful but rather slow. So that wouldn't make for a good haymaker sort of punches, you know, where you do one punch and another each side. I'm a little concerned about this piece because of the color. It sort of detracts from MARDUK's jaw, but maybe I can just bend this foam down a bit. And put on the cockpit hatch to make it a little more waterproof, because I put the chair cushion in there a week ago and it was all soaked, so I have that drying. But I'll probably end up, once I put the leg, I'll tip it onto its side, probably actually onto the side where an arm is right now, so I'll have to dig that off. Flip it onto its side, put the leg pylons on so they're sticking out there. Then use the van to pull it upright, like in the video in, I think it was April, when it fell over from the high winds and I had to use the van to pull it up. But, oh, and this is something I quite like. I'm holding the dust cover on with Velcro, so all you gotta do is hook it right up. And voila! Although probably on that upper piece I'm going to put a little more metal trim, so it looks a little more official, I guess. But then again, this is the first prototype, so it's bound to look a little janky. I mean, some of these pieces are about 3 years old, like this torso piece right here, and these arms are also about 3 years old, 2017 if I remember right. So if it looks a little janky, you know why. So, I guess that is all for today. Until next time, bye-bye.